Full week of day trading. We were profitable. Our first trade of the week was Euro JPY. I entered above this high right here, and we went straight to 1 to 2 risk reward. I was asleep, did not close, and we came back down here the next day. My stop loss was right here, but I looked at it further and I felt like the stop loss should be a little bit lower, so I moved the stop loss down a little bit, and then I closed up here as this day closed because I figured after this, even after this engulfing, we would have a little pullback. I didn't expect it to be this big, but it was. And then I entered again on an hour engulfing right around here somewhere. And we're currently in this trade right now, and we were up $20, I believe. I'm risking $20 a trade. I didn't risk 20 on this trade, and I decided on Wednesday that I need to work on the risk management part of it and start risking $20 every trade, every swing trade at least. So I made $27 on the Euro JPY trade. The next trade was GBP AUD. This was not a good trade. I saw this big doji and up at this area of interest, or not area of interest, just a high. It's a range, and we've had a lot of taps off here. But I entered once we all the way down here because I saw this start going down, but it was just a bad trade because a lot of times if you look back, we don't, except for this one, you don't just come up here and then tap off. We have a lot of wicks in, and then eventually we go down, which is what seems to be happening here. And I do not like this trade. It was a bad one. I should have waited for a better stick. It's easy to say now, but looking back at it, I don't think this was a good trade. And obviously it worked out that way. We lost $22 on that trade. NZD CAD. This one I entered twice. This one is a lot different because it's like the same thing. We're in a range. We come up here, we tap, we go down. I waited. Did I wait for this wick? Yes, I waited for a wick up, and then it came down, and I entered around here, and then it made up a wick to right here on the first one, and then it came down, and then it went all the way back up and made another wick, and I got stopped out that night, and then we came down obviously, and I re-entered because I had another entry, and I feel like this trade is still a good trade. And we are currently down a little. I'll look how much we're down. We're down $3 now. We were down more this morning, but it's starting to come back down. We'll see if that plays out. I will be holding these over the weekend too. Oh, okay. So there's that one. And NZD CAD I also entered again. I just said that, but yes. And we lost $21 in that first one. And then our next trade, USD CAD, went very well. I entered up here because it was in an AOI, and we had retested it, had some good dojis here, and we went down right when I entered, which was super sweet. We got a little 1 to 2.5, so we got basically $50, $49.19 in profit. And we got down to here. I didn't close. I had it. My take profit around right here. I took it off because I wanted to see a reaction, and we got the reaction, so then I closed, which I'm happy with how I managed this trade. The next trade, oh yeah, the last trade was GBP JPY. Oh my god, that was at literally 0.09 to start this. So we're in profit now. We're at $2 in profit on this one right now. Entered right here. Should have been patient, but I wasn't. I'll show you guys where I entered. I saw that engulfing is what I was waiting for, and then I was waiting for another engulfing down here somewhere. And I saw this, and it was coming into the night, and I didn't want to miss the trade, so I just entered right here. Which if I would have waited and followed this strategy, I would have entered about right here, because I would have woken up here. Which I'm fine with that. It is what it is. It worked out, but sorry about that. Oh, yeah. So it's a good week. I'll add up my profit and I'll put it right here. Okay. Thank you guys. See you sometime soon. Well, I guess see you next Friday probably.